Guys, today we're gonna show you a beautiful advanced salsa combination.
Llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos nace un jardín para tu corazón. Escribe esta canción y quiero.
So let's start. We do a basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here I go into an open break and I turn her to a hammerlock. 5, 6 and 7. Alright? Let's do it one more time. Make sure that this arm goes under so you smoothly twist a little bit her hand. Yeah, really smooth. And then we go into the hammerlock. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you are going out of her side. And 5, 6 and 7. Okay? From here, for the ladies, is a spiral turn. 1, 2, 3. We are back to back on 3. This arm now goes down. This goes up. And we finish on 1. So basically, the line of the lady is clear. Okay, so we are out of her line. So let's do it again from there, from the hammerlock position. So make sure, guys, that you don't go too much on 1 here, since we need to go this way. All right. So my 1 is in front of her. So we do 1, 2. This arm is still up, and now we are back to back on 3. All right. This arm goes up while this going down. And I lead her, left is going down still, like that, okay? It looks really advanced, it's advanced, but it's actually, it feels good. So from here, make sure palm to palm. Here also, guys, it's palm to palm. I don't grab the whole hand, it's just here with the fingertips, okay? So once more, because this is the advanced part, so we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, this is the part. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to show you, demonstrate you from that side. It's better. 1, 2, and 3. And then I rise this arm and I turn slightly into this position. Okay, so I'm in front of her again. So from here we continue. Now let's go a little bit to this side. Yes. Okay. So from here we do 1, 2, 3. Now I give a 1.5 turn. 5. Now I grab this hand because it goes up like that. Okay? Until here. Let's do it one more time. From here. So we do 1, 2, 3. Right turn. 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Make sure that this arm is here in her elbow, their location. What's the, was immer auf Deutsch? You know, here. Just make sure it's here, okay? And now what we do is we leave that hand here and I do ram bam bam bam. Yes, beautiful. So one more time. I release that hand, okay? There's no connection. And from here I go and do whoosh. So the only thing I need to do in order to do that is to bring pressure for this hand, and the natural way is just to, you know, going down up, okay? So again here, so do ram. In the same movement I do a right turn for me, okay? Let's do it, try to do that in a row from here, really smoothly. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now guys, from here we continue. We do 1, 2, 3, and we show this hand. That's really important that we show that hand, otherwise she doesn't know what comes next, okay? So that's important, so we are in that position. One more time. So as we do this hand flick like that, this is the time for you guys that you can turn. So we turn basically, so that's the hand, let's do it really slow. So it's 1, 2, this arm goes up over my shoulder, 3, and I show my hand like that. We don't do this, because we want to work palm to palm. Okay? So let's do it in a row. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5. Now I turn myself 6 and 7, and I'm connected from my right to her left. Let's demonstrate it from there so you can see it better. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Now 1, 2, 3, and on 5 at least I'm connected. So I show my hand on 3, and on 5 I'm giving an impulse. So this arm is going straight and leading her into a normal cross body lead while I'm turning in the same time. Guys, what we don't want, what I see the most, as I'm doing that, be careful, we don't do this. No. So what I'm doing, there's a tension all the time. There's tension on 5, and while I'm turning her for her line, but in the same time I'm moving myself. So again, this frame is really important. Now I'm back of her, but it still is the same frame. So I don't pull her, I don't push her into my back. Okay, so while she is, let's do it from here, like this. So this is the connection, my hand here, and you see I'm trying, just already staying in like left from her side, and here comes the impulse. There is no impulse here, just impulse here. Okay, so I lead her like that, kind of. Okay, but normally I have the hand here. So another way to do that, if you would be now in a normal basic, let's say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. That's the move action I do mostly of the time when I'm in a social dancing. Okay, so it's the same thing, but I was doing and teaching that also in dancing schools, and the most problem of the guys was kind of the impulse. So they were pulling the girls into her back, which makes no sense. Okay, so one more time to understand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, and 7. So in this combination we keep our connection from our right to her left. Okay? Let's do it from the top very, very slowly. Okay? Let's do it from here. No, sorry. Sorry, my friends. So we do an open break with my left to back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure, guys, you leave that hand, otherwise you kill yourself. So you turn, and from here we move to another movement. Sha, ram, pa, pa. Ram, bam, and bam, for instance, okay? In the demo we have done a 360, and we can do it also. Let's do it one more time from the other direction. So, we do 1, 2, 3, cross, body, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? One thing, if you do that here, make sure that you watch the girl. Okay? Watch the girl, and check what happens, and check what happening back to you. Yeah, and check what's happening back to you.
What's happening?
Yeah.
Behind you.
Yes. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what we don't want is, we don't want to look straight and do this, you know, like, she's gonna find my hand, you know? So no, so we turn a little bit to the right, check if she's still there. Maybe this is another hand, you know, another guy. So you grab that hand, and from here on, that's what you need to train. It's like that. You see that actually I'm turning almost on the same spot, okay? So keep the frame, guys, don't pull, it's just to work with the tension, okay? So like this, okay? Easy. Last time, and then from there on we move to the next movement. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now keep the hands. This is our 1. This is 1, 2. Okay? One more time. We are here. This is kind of 8. 1. We cross. So we cross with the right. Down. 1, 2. Beautiful. Ladies, check always wrist first. Okay? One more time. Keep aware that every movement we are doing, you can split them, you know? We don't need to do everything as a combination. I show you this combo, but try to split them, you know, and train them independent from the other ones. So if you're dancing your, for instance, your basic step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay? Really smooth. One more time, here, and then I cross like that, okay? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I go all the way and prepare her for a 360. This now I was too late. Let's do it one more time. From there, if you are interested in a 360, check my online dance school. I go so much in details today. I don't go to details in 360. I have done also some exercises for you on YouTube with Tasset as well. So check those videos here in the link. Okay. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time someone was adding me or tagging me on Instagram, and he was doing, just quick, if it's a slow 360, don't do this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Don't do this. Try to move normal. Okay? Check. Slow music. 5, 6, 7. You place your 1 in front instead of back. This looks a little bit more elegant. And do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay? It's a huge difference. If you have a lot of power, a lot of dynamic, then you can cross back. Because you're, you know, it makes more sense. If it's slow and you cross back like that, it doesn't look so good actually, okay? Okay guys, then let's do this all together with counting and then with music, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we start here with the basic, right to her left, left to my right, sorry. Let this arm free. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Tassia is there. 1, 2, 360 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now let's do this together with the music. Honestly, there are so many people writing me, what's this music? And I'm writing it everywhere. The music is from Itai Gris. I bought this from Atlas, so check Atlas. This is especially if you are a YouTuber or a dancer and you want to put your music together with dancing on YouTube. This is just perfect because you got the license, you have no copyright issues. Okay, Atlas. I put that in the link, and the music calls La Casa. La Casa. Slow music. One, of course, Daniel. Let's go. One more time from here, and
para tu corazón escribí esta canción
Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks Tasya for having you. Write into the comment if you like that combination. Write if it was possible, if it was correct, if I need to make another video for that. Just let me know. Write into the comment, please. Write into the comment. Give me a like, please. Give me also a dislike. It's okay. And see you next week. Bye bye. Have a nice day. The kiss are for the girls, not for you guys. Okay.
Everybody.
It's for everybody. We are rainbow here.